Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2000 M Series BMW M5? M3? I don't know. It's a really cool little, I think it's an M3 they call it. And it's not a Z, it's an M. So it's got the little coupe back area. If you're looking down on this dent, on this door, we're gonna see 3 dents. 1, 2, and 3. And BMW happens to have a really nice factory hole that is right in here. On the bottom edge of this door, there's one here, and then there's one, you can't show them, I mean, it's almost impossible. And then there's one right here that's just bottom edge of this door. Factory BMW holes. So let me get number 1 up in here. I just was on this dent. It's kind of fishy to get all the way up into this dent. Oh, there it is. Now let's take out this little guy here. I see there's another little wave up top, but I don't know if my tool will reach that far. Now I'm right on this little dent on the top here. Hopefully you guys have a visual. And this time is when I say, I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video. I really do. That one is gone. I mean, it's got a little tiny high spot. I'll come back and tap that down. And now since my tool is too long to actually get to those without that, I'm gonna have to go with the broken handle. And come on in here and just see, I'm looking at this top one. I might even want to change my board angle a little bit. Oh, good. I see it. And these are these are really quick little dents, guys. What's messing me up now is actually that my board is dirty. Wild, huh? Yeah, I was looking into that fog and I thought it was on the paint. The paint obviously has a little scuff in the center of that dent, but it was actually a little piece of dirt on my board. So let's find this again. Now I'm right there. And kind of slipped the tool a little bit. If you see how I'm pushing, I've got it really twisted and wedged in. I mean, I am tipped to metal on this thing using the very edge of my tip. And I'm just going to come into the center of it and make a couple of real severe pushes, what I call severe. Not severe enough to really show, or definitely not severe enough to crack the paint, but I just wanted to move some metal real fast. And it's a nice car for a nice guy. It's not going in a show or anything. It's just he wants to get it all nice and cleaned up. And being a 18-year-old car, it's really pretty darn straight for that age. And the fact that it's a cool little race car. So now let's change the angle. Since I'm on this, I still have a little bit more of this one to do on up top, and I'm just going to come in and finish it off a little bit. And there we go. A little bit more work to finish that one off, and it might end up with a little high tug that I can come in and tap down. I might do it on camera, I might not. I don't know. Okay, kind of clean that one up. Let's go down to this bottom one. And let's also remember, guys, this is a real pretty good thick orange peel. 18-year-old car on the bottom side of a door. To get this angle, you basically got to be sitting down here to look at it. So once we pull the board off and stand up and look at this car, these dents are going to be pretty much orange peel, which is what we want. But now I want to change the angle again. Of course, I'm going to want to grab my hammer and tapper and clean that up. Okay, clean that up a little bit, a lot actually. And I think my hammy tappy is right here. I just want to clean up a little bit of these lines where it was the most severe. But yeah, these are quick, easy little dents. Where was that little one on top? See, there was a little high right there. Now that I see it a little bit more, I mean, it's going to be increasingly difficult to see when I pull off the board, but now that I can see it a little bit, I can actually go up there and make that last little push. You know, I try to make every dent as nice as I possibly can, but when there's like 5, 10, 15, 20 dents to do, sometimes you just got to get them up to that 95% mark and keep on moving. So, yeah. On that note, we're there on this one. This one's straight up 95, 96. Every little push is making it look just a little bit nicer. It's almost 100% gone. And I do see a tiny little push that I want to make up there. But other than that, guys, I sure appreciate everybody watching this video. I don't make these videos to train anybody. I basically just want to share what I know, and if somebody learns from it, that's great. I don't claim to be the best in the world. I'm just a guy that loves doing dents. And sure appreciate all our comments, all our new subs, all our old subs. And we'll keep putting the content out for you. I'm just kind of messing around now. It's really looking clean. And literally when I take that board off, you won't be able to see it. I do see this tiny little wave up top. For some reason, it bugs me, and I want to get up in here. And where is it? Yeah, this is where it's like so hard to even. It's even hard for me to see, guys. So yeah, that one's gone. Clean that one up. And we have the door all jammed open with the Steck door jammer. It's just definitely the way to go. Those were pretty good knockers, and now they're gone. Has a little bit left I might even work on off camera. But I'm getting kind of hot and sweaty, and I need to take a break. So, sure appreciate everybody that clicked on this video. We had a couple others on this door that we took out, and I still see some waves. I got to tap it down. I got some more work to do. If you would, hit that like on the way out and share it with your social medias. Other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.